everybody, my name is Fire96 and we're back to Half-Life 2. I just did a 2 vs 2 video. Thank you for the 10th Clan Warriors, by the way. I'm gonna charge right at you. Ouch. Did not go as planned. Bye. Ramp. Log ramp. Ah, the way of arrows. Oh god! I wanted that box. There was a box over there. Go. What are you doing? No. Don't shoot me when I stop. I just wanted to look at your beautiful face. Not your minds. Oh god. Right on the side. Going like, oh god, that's a bad idea. On the side, go. Oh god, I am dying. I am everywhere. I am moving. This way. This way. Let's go. Let's not go that way. Let's go this way. I am like spastically. I'm scared. Go. Go me. You can do it. I believe. Oh no. Believe. I don't want to go in there. Yeah, well, the splash of the water got on me. Ah, meteors! Why meteors? Mortars. Oh god. Oh god, we're not gonna make it. Where we go? Oh, there's a gap over here? Oh, there is. No, 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 no. I want to live. I want to live. Please leave me alone, Shadow Clan. Oh god. Missiles. Mines. They're everywhere. No, 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 no. Leave me alone. Please. Yay. I lived. I lived. Oh, I got a few bullets in my arm. That's okay. Or my paw. I think I got... I'm missing an ear. I'm missing an ear. Oh, what's going on? Let's go visit this contraption. Oh, sorry. Where did it get out? What's over here? Ah! Oh, I did not expect that. How do I change a weapon? That's not nice. Here we go. Have a grenade for all I care. Boom. Darn right. What's in here? Health! That's just what I needed. Oh, ladder. Oh, good, no fall damage. Okay. I don't think safety was on. I really think I hit that. Excuse me. Oh, ping it. More health. What's this? Oh. I mean, I think this is in the way. It's gonna launch me. Let's not do that. Put you this side. Oh god, what do we do? I think it's a weight thing. This is a puzzle, people. Prepare to be here for a long time. I really did anything. Brick. It's going down little by little. I don't think it's gonna work. Chair. Breaking pieces. What a great backflip! You deserve the best applause ever. How? How are you not like... There you go. It's the unbreakable chair. Is there anything up there I'm missing? How am I supposed to do this? Hang on, let's go look at the pulley system. Alright, so that's... Oh, I think I gotta, like, get some wind? Do I shoot it? No, that didn't work. How do I do this puzzle? Tire? No, they barely have any weight. Sorry, excuse me. How do I do this? Do we get the body? Is that what we're missing? Can we even pick up the body? No, that looks good. You're so beautiful. I hate you, water. You're so disgusting. Why do you have to be here of all places? Screw you. I thought can't even pick you up. Oh god! Oh, that's a good idea, but I don't have that many grenades to bring him over there. Try one more time. I hope you go flying. Didn't work. What am I supposed to do? I can't put my airboat down there because I'll lose my airboat. How am I supposed to do this? Wait, yeah, I can't do that. The tire's a stupid idea, but let's try it anyway. See? Nothing. Hang on, there's another brick here. Alright, it's working. We need, like, bricks. That's what we need. Can I take out that tire? I rarely did anything, but we'll save that. Gotta be more bricks. There's gotta be something I'm missing. I'm really not good at puzzles. What if I, move. Hello, washing... Oh, did I just move it? Oh! Go, washing machine! Bam! Why didn't I think about that? I'm like passing a washing machine, like, you know, like, hey, washing machine, how you doing? It worked. Helicopter went this way, it's doing it away. Hey, let's go screw up the world. Hello.
Hey.
Yes.
You're Freeman, aren't you?
No.
I wouldn't believe it if I couldn't see with my own eyes.
I'm Fireheart.
Gordon Freeman himself.
I'm Fireheart. Stop mixing me up for this Freeman person. Which clan is he from? River Clan?
Before the combine picks us up. We're
It's
just
pretty much
ready to pull out.
wait, are you River Clan?
We better
You are in
hurry.
a river.
Gotta tear down this camp and get out of here.
Greetings to the free.
Oh, I didn't even see you. Well, I thought that was like, I don't know what they were. You were the most beautifulest thing I've ever seen. Darn it, you didn't die. I'm an explorer. I've already wasted enough time on the video, or the puzzle that is. Let's make this quick. Man. Oh, that didn't work. Alright, let's go into this room. Oh, thanks. I hate you.
Here, take a look at this. This here's the dam. It's just up ahead.
Oh.
Eli's hideout is here. A stone's throw from the apron and nestled in the old hydro plant. But getting there, with that hunter chopper on your ass, next to impossible. Good news
I
is,
can do it.
the Vortigaunt's working his magic on your airboat, so you'll have a little more firepower going forward. I think he's just finished.
What are you doing to my ship? Are you raping it? I'm sorry. I think I cursed. Get away from my ship! I paid $5 for that thing. It was not cheap.
That gun came off one of the same hunter choppers that you're up against. I always like to bring a little irony to a firefight.
Shut up!
Take that chopper down.
Apologize.
Tear on through to Eli's.
I thought you were beautiful, but now you're not. You
The
just
freeman will accept this weapon or suffer quickly on the road.
suffer. getting in this thing. Whoa. Bye. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, that's cool. It has like aimbot. Yeah, that's right. Oh, it replenishes ammo. I didn't see that. Go! Love you. I could just go up here. Thing's kind of confusing. Damn, I cannot get the hold of this thing now. Go! Ah! Shoot the missiles. Ow! Ah! Ah! Yeah, that's right. I'm a beast. You can't kill this. Cause I'm already out of time. Okay. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to I forgot to put this in my commentary video. Very, very sorry. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and not to try. Bye!